This PDF took me under an hour to make, okay? It cost me nothing, and somebody just actually paid me $7 for it while we were recording this video. 2 tools did the entire thing. I got Claude and Gamma, and you probably have seen these on the internet that you're using right now, but you're not actually making any money with it. Stay with me, and I'm going to build one from scratch, showing you a blank screen to a buy button live, and you can get one launched for your own today. Now, 3 things before we build. 1, the real reason your AI documents don't sell, even when they look incredible. And 2, the exact stack that I use, and I mean start to finish, from blank screen to a page with a buy button on it. 3, the prompts on screen, word for word, so you're not having to take notes. You're just taking what I've already built, okay? No design skills needed. You don't need a budget, and I'm not going to give you any of that fake guru math, okay? Now, let me guess where you're at. You've watched the AI tutorials, you've made a few nice-looking documents, and maybe you've even posted a carousel or 2 on Instagram. And, of course, nothing comes. There's no sales. And, of course, you're barely getting any views. And this little voice starts up in the back of your head asking whether the whole thing is just a scam or if it's just you. Here's the secret. It's neither. So why did that ugly little PDF I just showed you make money when all the pretty stuff makes nothing? It's because design is never the actual problem. Everybody online is stuck on the content hamster wheel. They're just making thing, posting a thing, making a thing, posting a thing. You know, the tools got so good that anybody can crank out something that looks professional in just a few minutes. This is the trap. When everything looks good, nothing is actually good. It's junk food for marketers. Look, it looks great on the shelf, 0 nutrition, nobody comes back hungry for more. And then, yeah, I did that too. I had a folder full of beautiful PDFs that were basically expensive screensavers. Listen, the fix is not better design. The fix is pointing the exact same tools, but at a problem somebody will actually pay to make go away. You know, I'll show you how I find that problem in just a minute. But first, let's talk about the tech stack. Now, here are the 2 tools. That's the whole operation. No 15-app funnel, no monthly software graveyard you forgot you're paying for. Claude writes the actual product, not fluff, not filler, the real thing somebody would hand money for, okay? Gamma ends up turning that writing into a designed PDF that you can sell using its own theme library, so you're not fighting some type of late-night design template. You know, you connect Gamma to Claude one time through the connectors, take about a minute, and then Claude builds inside Gamma for you. Now, here's where almost everybody completely messes it up. They ask the AI to make a presentation about affiliate marketing, and they get a generic Wikipedia deck. It's useless. I never ask it to talk about a topic. I only build around what I call a payable problem. That's a problem where it's so specific and so annoying that somebody will hand over money just to make it stop. That's the whole game. Not a topic, a payable problem. So the question is, how do you find a payable problem? Let me show you the part that nobody shows you. Now watch the screen, not my face. Step 1, the money step, the payable problem. Now I picked something my people would pay $7 to skip, not how to do affiliate marketing. That's actually too big of a concept, and it's free on YouTube, honestly. I picked something narrow and painful, like the exact hooks that make people stop scrolling. Small, specific, annoying enough to pay to fix. That's the payable problem. Now, step number 2 is where Claude writes it. I tell it exactly who it's for and what it has to deliver. Here's my prompt. Steal it word for word. I don't care. All right, Claude, write the complete content for a paid PDF product for beginner affiliate marketers who can't get anyone to stop scrolling. Give me 20 proven hook templates, a real example for each, and a 1-line note on why it works. No intro, no fluff, and make it product ready. Now, you notice I said complete and product ready. I'm not asking for an outline. I'm asking for the thing I'm about to charge for. Now, step number 3 is you need to hand it to Gamma. Use Gamma. Turn this into a PDF product. Dark background, red and gold accents, bold and tactical tone, no images, and keep my text exactly as written. And you're going to choose that option here as well. That last part matters. There's a setting called Preserve Mode. It locks my words in place so Gamma designs around my copy instead of rewriting it to soft marketing mush. When the words are value, you want to lock that in. Step number 4, export and list. Again, Gamma hands me a finished, designed PDF. I export it, drop it on Clicksy, and set the price at $7. And now I've got a product page with a buy button on it. Total time, under an hour. Total cost, whatever your AI subscription already has, actually. $0 in new ad spend. And remember those expensive screensavers I made? Same 2 tools. The only thing that changed is I stopped decorating and I started solving. Now here's the part that stings just a little bit. You're not just stuck because you don't have the tools. You've had the tools the entire time. You're stuck because you keep aiming them at things that impress people instead of things that help people. 6 months from now, you can have another folder of gorgeous nothing. Or you can have a dozen tiny little products quietly taking payments while you're sitting at your kid's game. The gap between those 2 futures is not talent. It's not money. It's the aim. The people who win at this are not the flashiest. They're the ones who decide to be useful on purpose. So let's go back to the start. Everybody's making pretty slides that make $0, okay? You don't have to be that everybody. You've got 2 tools and about an hour. Build one small thing that solves one real problem, stick a price tag on it, and let it work while you sleep. That's not guru math. That's just the aim pointed the right way for once. Now, I've packaged this exact prompts, the Gamma settings, and my product checklist into a free starter kit. Comment the word build and I'll send it to you, or grab it from the link in the description below. Gamma linked down there too. It's the tool I actually use and it's free to start. But listen, none of this works if you build a product that nobody wants. Beautiful, cheap, product ready, and completely ignored by the market. Now, before you make a single PDF, watch the one where I show you how to find a product idea people are already trying to pay for. It's right here. Watch that first, then come back and build. See you there.